Is that really 60% off? Yo, how are you? You good? How are you?
Yeah, how are you doing?
Good. Where are you guys going to?
Oh, we're filming actually. We're doing the same
Yeah,
thing. That you're doing.
I'm filming your handsome face.
Ah, thank you.
Everybody's
what do
gonna
you do?
see
Why are
you.
you filming?
I'm just touring.
Just vlogging, huh?
Yeah,
I
just
like that.
touring. And where are you guys going to?
We're just filming like TikTok, YouTube. You see this guy editing his video right now?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Good
That's
to
what
know.
we do. We interview girls. We get girls' numbers.
Yeah.
And, you know what I mean? That's what we do.
Okay, no worries. I'll catch you
take it
soon,
easy,
bro.
yeah?
Take it easy. There's African kids chilling out in Melbourne. Now, tell me how you think they can go back to the motherland. No way. There's this kid I met at the airport in Guangzhou, and he was coming back from Kenya, and that was his very first visit. The mother took him to Kenya. Of course, he's of South Sudanese origin, and I asked him whether he liked going to Kenya, and he said he didn't. I asked him why. He gave me two reasons. One, because there was nothing to do, nothing much to do. But secondly, because power had gone off. Power was always on and off. That is what he said. Can you imagine? Power was always on and off. What did he expect? That we have power full time here in Australia? Sorry, in Kenya? Nah, that's not gonna be. That's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It can't. It can't happen because we barely have power. We don't have the capacity to meet the demand for power in those countries. Most, if not all African countries. We always have issues in Uganda, in Kenya, in South Africa. It has been big news recently. Big news. Because there's not enough power. And this kid who is born here, but of course of Sudanese origin, goes to Africa for the first time, and he thinks that he's gonna get the power to power his phone and be on the internet 24/7. Even during the time that I was with him there at the airport, he was always looking up stuff on the phone. He was just addicted to his phone. He's probably chatting to somebody or talking to somebody. It's crazy how our kids are now addicted to the Western soft life. And you can't blame them. Now, if you're gonna sell them the African dream, then you gotta give them an option. at least one, they must have internet. That one is priority number one. And two, they must have power. They must have power to charge their phones and laptops, because that is just number one. Without that, they can't do anything. Without those, they cannot do anything. No, I don't want to go to G. My GPS is telling me to go to G. I don't want to go to G. Yes, brother, how are you? Good. Okay, I'm now trying to get my way out of this shopping mall before it catches up with me. From here, where by southeast is what?
아니야, 이거는 지금